Welcome to CSEC Biology TCP. I am Mr. Wilson from the TCP Academy. Today we're looking at the lymphatic system. It is a part of the circulatory system that tends to give students and adults alike trouble. I do hope that this video will provide some clarity as to how it works, what it is, and to show you various parts of a lymphatic system. Without further ado, let me hop right into today's lesson.
A clear and simple explanation of the lymphatic system and how it works, tailored for the CCC Caribbean Secondary Education Certificate examination. What is the lymphatic system? The lymphatic system is a part of the body's circulatory and immune systems. It helps to protect the body against infections and diseases, transport fluids, fats, and other substances, remove waste and unwanted materials from the body. Main parts of the lymphatic system. 1. Lymph, a clear fluid that carries white blood cells, especially lymphocytes. 2. Lymph vessels, tubes that carry lymph throughout the body. 3. Lymph nodes, small, bean-shaped structures that filter lymph and trap bacteria, viruses, and harmful substances. 4. Spleen, filters blood and helps fight infections. 5. Thymus, where T cells, a type of lymphocyte, mature. 6. Tonsils and adenoids, help protect the body from infections, especially in the mouth and throat. How the lymphatic system works. 1. Draining excess fluid. Blood plasma leaks out of capillaries into surrounding tissues. This fluid is picked up by lymph vessels and becomes lymph. 2. Transporting lymph. Lymph flows through lymph vessels and passes through lymph nodes, which filter out germs and harmful substances. 3. Fighting infections. White blood cells, lymphocytes, in the lymph nodes and other organs attack and destroy bacteria, viruses, and damaged cells. 4. Returning fluid to the bloodstream after being filtered. The clean lymph is returned to the bloodstream near the heart, helping to maintain blood volume. Functions of the lymphatic system, key for exams. Defense, produces white blood cells to fight infections. Drainage, returns excess fluid from tissues to the blood. Filtration, removes harmful substances through lymph nodes. Absorption, helps absorb fats and fat-soluble vitamins from the digestive system via the small intestine. Why the lymphatic system is important. Without it, your body would swell up with excess fluid, be more prone to infections, struggle to remove waste and toxins. Lymphatic system, CSCC summary. Definition. The lymphatic system is part of the circulatory and immune systems that helps defend the body and maintain fluid balance. Main functions. 1. Defense, produces white blood cells to fight infections. 2. Drainage, collects and returns excess tissue fluid to the bloodstream. 3. Filtration, filters out bacteria and harmful substances in lymph nodes. 4. Absorption, absorbs fats from the digestive system in the small intestine. Main parts. Lymph, fluid-carrying white blood cells. Lymph vessels, carry lymph. Lymph nodes, filter lymph. Spleen, thymus, tonsils, help fight infections. Important point, without the lymphatic system, the body would swell and be more prone to infections and diseases.
A lot of persons would not have seen probably or taken the time out to look at the lymphatic system as much as we would have looked at the circulatory system, the diagram of the heart and the blood vessels, etc. So here I would have provided a diagram of the lymphatic system. I know it would have appeared on the exam paper, be it biology or HSB. I really don't remember, but I would have checked 10 years worth of paper for biology, 10 years worth of paper for HSB, and I'm not seeing it, but I'm sure I would have seen a diagram on some paper before where students were asked to identify various parts. The spleen is that organ that a lot of persons would have heard about, but not being able to identify it or being able to speak of its function. So here we have some labeled part of the lymphatic system, and we would have outlined the function of these in the video that just completed. So just make sure that you're able to identify this part as they are outlined here on the diagram. Please note, this is not a completed labeled diagram, but enough labeling to assist you. And of course, we like to talk about the source of the information. There is the source of the diagram, and of course, it's a Creative Commons photo, so we're able to use it in this presentation. Now, I'm very, very happy that you took the time out to watch this video, and I want to hope that you would have actually started practicing for your exam, not just studying, but practicing, using up those past papers, making use of those videos, and helping those who you can help. Please be reminded you still can join us for classes to ensure that you ace those examinations. And a gentle reminder of our practical biology textbook that is now on Amazon and should be on the local market in short order. As you would have known, until we next meet, walk good.